Let's keep it real. I am going to break the sequence. Mascara is so bad to do on camera. Oh, hold on. This is just college thing. I'm really happy to resonate this look with the look from the movie. Hello, confused with what's going on? Hold up. Just grab a snack, get excited because this is going to be a long ass video. But before that, let's play the intro. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So I decided to show my bare face today because why not? Let's keep it real because we are in lockdown 2021. We did not expect this to come, but we have to face it, okay? And this is going to pass. So stay strong and stay safe at your places. So yeah, but if you're new here, hi, my name is Bhavika Upre and I put vlogs, dance videos and also trying to put such interesting videos. So if you're liking it so far, then go give me a subscribe because it is free, and also follow me on Instagram. This is how it looks like. I put such interesting videos. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So for today's video, we are going to do 7 days Indian wear challenge, which means we are going to wear Indian clothes for a week straight. Isn't that interesting? Because Indian wear really excites me. There's nothing else, like no clothing excites me more than this. So yeah, we're doing this finally and I'm very excited. Let's do this. Okay, hello. For checking in after 15 minutes, I just went my other house at my mom's place and got this bada potli from there because it's my sub mere traditional clothes and I keep most of my clothes there only. The only stuff that I need, like clothes, are here. So I'll just get ready, fat, and show you the outfit. So yeah. So for day one, I'm going to wear this pink kurta with this golden stripes, and I know the golden is so much into the face, but it's fine. And I'm also going to wear this golden leggings. I don't really like this material, but I don't have any other option right now, so I'm just going to wear this and show you. So this is the first look for day one of the outfit challenge and I like it. So pink, so me. I really love it. And I've tied my hair at the back because मैंने circular earrings पहने हैं. So if I open it, then the earrings wouldn't be visible. So when you wear such type of earrings, you should नहीं, but try to tie your hair at the back या फिर ऊपर, because अगर आप ऐसे open करके रखोगे, then earrings का पूरा look चले जाएगा. So that is what I feel. And I have tied my hair, so yeah. Okay, so honestly I like the whole outfit, but I am not really happy with the leggings. Like I don't like this material. It is not really good and I'm more onto the cotton side, and because of the whole lockdown situation, we all have moved to the comfortable clothing. Agree with me in the comments and let me know what you think. Hi guys, it's the second day of the outfit challenge and I have my iced tea right here. I'm just going to sit here for 5 to 10 minutes and just going to spend my time and sip on the iced tea. But yeah, it's the second day, so let's get started and dress up for the day. So for day 2, I'm going to wear this green kurti which I got stitched for my last birthday. My mom actually gave me this kapada and I got it stitched. It is very pretty and it gives proper Indian traditional vibes. I love how it looks on me. And yeah, I'm just going to wear this with black leggings which I'm already wearing and I forgot to show you. But yeah, I'll just wear and show you the whole outfit. I love the sunlight in my house, like it just makes me look so pretty, and I have always kept the makeup simple and I think I'm not gonna do much. So yeah, I'll just show you the outfit. This is how the whole outfit looks like. It also has this pretty dupatta जो बहुत ऐसा crushed हो गया है, but I'm not going to iron it because I like to keep it ऐसे ही. I'm also not wearing any accessories, but if you want you can wear it because मैं अभी घर पे ही रहने वाली हूँ. So I'm just wearing these golden earrings. Hello you guys, good morning. I'm really sorry my hair is very frizzy right now because I just washed them. And yeah, I'll take you guys along with me thoda sa and I'll show you what I'm going to wear. So yeah, let's get started. So this is going to be my outfit for day 3 and I got this beautiful kurta from Parel when I was on my way for a dance practice and I got it for 300. I still remember, and for the first time I wore it in Chandigarh in my IV like industrial visit, and I'm going to wear this with a yellow palazzo. This is also very beautiful. Actually this is my mom's but I got it altered and I wear it. So yeah, this is going to be very pretty. I really like this kurta. Don't worry, I'm going to iron it. So yeah, I'm really sorry if there's any background noise. I really can't help it. But yeah, I'm just quickly going to do my makeup. Nothing much, just lipstick, mascara and a bindi. That's it. It's very hot so I cannot take makeup. So yeah. Just if you're wondering which lipstick is this is from Miss Claire in the shade 58. Going to apply the same lipstick on my cheeks to give that fresh look. I don't like wearing anything else than blush and mascara. I look funny, but that's fine. Okay, so if I'm not happy with the amount of blush I've already put in, then I put more because, as you know, I am obsessed with blushes. That's it. Now mascara. Mascara is so bad to do on camera. I'll just get it done. Coincidentally, coincidentally, my mom came up to me and gave me this gazra, which was very sweet, and told me to wear this. But she also knows I love traditional wear, and when it comes to gazra, I really like it. I'm really happy that this outfit ke saath ye bahut acha lagega. So now I'm going to wear it quickly and show you guys. So it's a rubber band like this. Twist it. Pull. I have got so much comfortable talking to camera now. मतलब पहले में I used to hesitate a lot and I used to ask Nandini कि how can I overcome this and give me some tips, because she is an anchor also and she does it very 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 well and I love her for that. So yeah, I can totally tell that I have got the confidence from her and I really like talking to camera now. I'm so used to it and I'm so happy, and this is how it looks. Pretty, no? I'll quickly wear a bindi and earrings. I'm wearing these earrings. They're very chotu and pretty. It has a sunflower. The yellow bindi is not even visible, so I think I'll just wear a black one. The whole outfit, I am so liking it. This is going to be one of my favorite outfits from the whole week, and the gajra gets 10 points. Like my mom gets 10 points for this. I love it so much, and let me know your favorite outfit in the comments. I am waiting. Hi you guys, I think it's day number 4 of the challenge if I'm not wrong, because I've lost the count on the days and I don't feel the best today. I don't know why, but I have a little headache. But we got to get ready because most of the time my mood lifts up when I get ready. So yeah, I hope that happens. So without wasting any time, let's get ready. I did not show you the whole makeup process because मैंने कुछ भी नया नहीं add किया है. I did the same steps which I do usually for minimal makeup: mascara, lipstick, blush. That's it. And now I'm just applying this My Glam's kajal. And that's it. I'll just quickly show you the whole outfit. So this is the final look. I'm really sorry if I'm not doing justice by showing the whole outfit properly, but this is how I am managing by staying indoors and we cannot step out to shoot. So yeah, please bear with me. And yeah, I really feel like Piku from the movie. If not, I'll show you how. Wait. Okay, so I just added these glasses and now I think I really resonate this look with the look from the movie. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you feel the same. And yeah, that's it. Hi you guys, so I'm checking in after a day exactly, but for you guys it is just a 1 second later, and I am going to break the sequence now. Iske pehle I used to come, I used to say it's the second day, it's the third day, but no, I am not going to say that because the video is going to be longer anyway. So I'm just quickly going to show you what I wore for day 5, 6 and 7. Only 3 days are left for the challenge and I'm excited for the outfits as well. Oh, hold on. I remember in the last clip I said I am not feeling the best today, but like yesterday. But actually after dressing up and getting ready, I felt a little better. And you can try this trick as well. This is my hack for boosting the day. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the outfits. For day 5, I'm going to wear this blue tunic which my mom actually gifted me a long back. I don't even remember one. I think it's almost 1 year now and I haven't worn this even once. This is the first time I'm going to wear it, and yeah, it's a tunic and I'm going to wear this earrings. I got it from an Instagram store. I'll leave their handle on the screen, and with that I'm going to wear this black leggings and a blue matching bag. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. On to day 6 and I'm going to style this kurti for the day. Again, my mom got it. She knows how much I love styling and traditional clothes, so she keeps getting things for me, and I'm so confident that you would have seen at least this once on my Instagram because I've literally styled this with so many things. And with that I'm also going to wear this bag. It is like a side bag, and if you're a college going girl then you can definitely relate to it because this is just college things. And with that again a black basic leggings. So yeah, let's change. I don't believe this that we are on to the last day of the challenge, and this is the last outfit that I'm going to style for this video, and I'm so happy to say that I'm ending the outfit challenge video with a kurti that belongs to my mom. This is my mom's kurti and I got it altered 1 or 2 years ago. This is not for the video purposely. This kurti is so classy and it always reminds me of mom. Like, I love it. And this is also my mom's purse. I'm going to style this with a palazzo which is also a bottle green color, and these earrings which are also from an Instagram store. Most of the earrings that you guys have seen in this video are from different Instagram stores, so don't worry, I'll be tagging them in the description or on the screen somewhere, so keep your eye for that. And yeah, without wasting time, let's just change. So that's it for this video. I really hope this video entertained you and made you smile in some way. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which was your favorite outfit in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.